Okay, so this is the 2011 F150 3.7 V6 water pump replacement job. One thing to note, guys, is whenever you get the original housing unbolted and get all that taken off, you're gonna need to, kind of like stick something back in here. We used our pry bar, just kind of give you a little backwards pressure to come off of this top pipe. That was probably the worst part of the job. So we're gonna get all this cleaned up. New pump. This one was starting to leak from the weep hole, and well, it's got 210K on it, so it's done. Got ourselves a brand new one, ready to go. Get all this cleaned up, get this thing installed. Okay, so new pump's bolted in. One thing I can say is make sure that you tighten this one and where's it? There's another bolt right there on the front. So two lower bolts on this pump housing, and you do that so that your lower pipe can fully seat on. And I recommend also dabbling your finger in a little bit of coolant, and if your coolant's nice and good and all the properties, so that then your O-ring slides onto the shaft nice and easy, doesn't roll. And same thing with this one up here. We're going to go ahead and give it a little bit of extra sealing help, because I'm not real confident in the housing, and it would really suck if it leaked when I put it all back together. So we're going to give that just a little bit of silicone to just help seal things up, and just waiting on O'Reilly's to bring us a new gasket for this little bad boy. This goes in to this seal area on that, which then bolts to this section of the pump. Alright, so we're going to put our pump pulley back on, get everything put back in place for the most part, fill it up with water, test for leaks. Now I'm going to put the pump pulley on, put the belt on, start it up, and test it for leaks more before I dump the coolant back out, dump the water back out, and fill it up with the spec coolant.